description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from South Korea. This came by way of Noodle Journey. Thanks a lot, dude. This is Ottogi, red bean Kalguksu, which just means knife cut noodle soup. Guk soup. So there you go. I think. Wider noodle. That's just. Oh, good God, Jesus. Lots of powder. Powder goes in at end, correct? Yes, indeedy. And this goes for 4 minutes. And yes, you know what time it is. It's time to watch it boil, and you love that. Because you told me you do. So let's allow you to enjoy in the rich tradition that I provide to you. Anyways, it's got an hour until lunch. Cook. And I've got an unboxing to do. And this is the last one I'm doing today, so I might have time to crank out that unboxing and then just spend all the afternoon enjoying editing on the computer. So as it turns out, most people go to www.theramenraider.com. Well, more people should, but most people that do go there to look up my reviews go there on mobile. And it's still weird to me because if I really want to do some searching and research and stuff, I don't really enjoy using my cell phone for that. I can do it, but the ease of use for like copying and pasting things and getting around, it's just so much easier to use a desktop. And I understand not everybody's got a desktop now. Most people have laptops. Laptops are extra hard for me because the keyboard is right in front. And I mean, granted it is with a desktop, it's just a lot harder for me to be able to see the screen. I can get much closer to the screen on my desktop than on any laptop. And of course I'd want a bigger screen, and generally when you have 17-inch screen laptops, the keyboard sticks out farther to accommodate the larger screen. So that means I have to like try to eke in that much further. It'd be nice if they made laptops that did not have a mouse pad, and you could just like order it with or without mouse pad, and without mouse pad it wouldn't be so wide. But I digress. I don't really like to use laptops. The kids though, wow, they're really into it. They got their Chromebooks. They're hard freaking core. They don't muck around. They do what they do, or they do it a lot. They play a lot of Roblox, which is ridiculous. But they're getting at least game tech savvy. They're not exactly like, if I handed them a piece of hardware, they couldn't install it. They might figure it out between them. That'd be interesting. Make the kids build a computer. Do it unguided and then guided. They'd probably like that. And then be like, well, now what do we do with it? Does it have Roblox? I'm like, I don't know. What is that really? I don't understand the whole thing. Is that like Minecraft? I think it's got kind of like Minecraft, isn't it? I don't know. Yeah. I ain't hip to the Roblox. and I don't have a bookshelf full of Funko Pops, and I never will. Not that I have a problem with Funko Pops for kids, but I don't know, it just seems a weird thing for adults to collect. Little cutesies. Telling my buddy from Australia, he was going off about some... God, what was he talking about? Oh, so we have our new president fellow, and he decided to do all these big executive orders. He's like, I heard your president did some good things. I'm like, oh, like what? Declaring there's only 2 genders. And I'm like, is that lowering the prices of eggs? No? Not really? Seems like a fake issue to me. Whoa, this stuff is crazy thick. I mean, look at this. It's like... I'm confused. Wow, and it really doesn't want to stir in. This is a problem. Wow, that is like goopy. Although azuki, like red bean paste usually is. I didn't realize this was going to be that thick. Oh, that's a lot. I don't know, folks. This is a little interesting. It's more like a stew. Wow. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm a little... Oh yeah, look at that. Very thick, sludgy. Very sweet, almost pudding-like. It's not bad. I was thinking an egg with this and scallion with it. Maybe scallion? Very sweet, though. Holy cow. This is... I would almost go so far as to call this like a dessert ramen. Ramen. Yeah, sorry. Oh my god, that's freaking burning my face. Whoa. It's interesting. I don't know how thrilled I am with this. Whoa. I like that. That noodle is nice. Definitely seems like something people be like, oh wow, that's interesting. That's different. What's that? Is that mint? Maybe it's mint. I am going to throw some scallion on it. I really don't know what else to do. I made a lot of scallion today. I grew it. No, I didn't grow it. I chopped it with my... I put it in the machine. For those who might not know, I have a machine that literally, its main purpose is to slice green onions, scallion, spring onion. And it's the Holy Slicer, named after the Dio song Holy Diver. Look at that. It is a consistency of pudding. Wow. Okay. Kind of questionable. I don't know. It's not bad. It's very, very sweet. I almost feel like completely like a bad person putting scallion on it, but it needs something crunch to offset that thick sweetness. And I don't know how spicy would work with it, so I'm just gonna call it like this. I think this is just fine. But wow, how weird. Cool. Thanks, dude. Very strange. Not bad. Edible, but very strange. Anyways, there'll be more to come tomorrow. I got some more really neat stuff that dude sent from South Korea. More Japanese stuff. More German stuff. So, yeah, I'll probably do a little of those. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Ranger. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. Awesome. Have a good one. Bye-bye.